Hi guys, I'm Kenine Crooner from Austin there, and I don't know what this thing is. What the heck is this? What the heck is this thing? It looks like an elephant flea thing. What the heck is this? Oh my gosh. I don't know what the heck is this, but I don't know what that thing is. Guys, check the comments below and let me know what this thing is. I don't know what that is. It looks like a freaking elephant flea thing. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't know what that thing is. It looks like an elephant flea thing. Oh my gosh, and look at the front here. What the frick? And it has hands? Why does this thing have hands? What the frick? Yeah, and this thing does not have any legs. I don't know what the heck. I don't know what the heck is this. I don't know what that thing is. It looks like an elephant flea thing. Guys, please write a comment and let me know what this thing is. It looks a lot more like an elephant flea thing. Well, that's what I'm gonna tell you about this freaking thing. Yeah, this looks a lot more like an elephant flea thing. And I don't know why. And I don't know why the frick does this have hands. So that's kind of creepy. This thing looks kind of creepy. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm just letting you guys know what that frickin' thing is. So goodbye and have a great day.